Vivo launched its new Y series phone in China called Vivo Y300 Pro Plus, with quiet premium-looking design. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y300 Pro Plus features a tall 6.77-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 5000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 810 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128, 256, or 512 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo Y300 Pro Plus sports a dual-camera setup under circular ring at the top center that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.79 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. At the front it has 32-megapixel selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 7,300 mAh battery, with 90 watts flash charging support, and it runs on Android 15, based on Origin OS 5 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.4 by 76.4 by 7.9 millimeters, and it weighs around 199 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y300 Pro Plus has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in simple black, star silver, and micro pink color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y300 Pro Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.